Every day, massive amounts of data are generated by factory machines, sensors, and enterprise systems. However, that data is siloed, and manufacturers lack the ability to harness the relevant data, analyze it, and pull insights from it. The promise of Elisa Smart Factory is to address the challenge of insufficient visibility by connecting all machines, devices, and enterprise systems across functional silos. Real-time machine data is harnessed for powerful analysis and visualized in an easy-to-understand 3D digital twin of the factory. The 3D digital twin provides insights into all stages of operation in one view, making it possible for plant operators and management to respond faster and make better decisions. Over time, the 3D digital twin accumulates data of the connected assets, their operations, and the environment in which they operate. On top of that asset data, valuable intelligence is developed using machine learning and artificial intelligence. With help of actionable insights from predictive analytics, manufacturers can improve quality, prevent unplanned downtime, and increase operational efficiency. Smart Factory from Elisa breaks through organizational data silos to digitally transform your factory.